So if you wanted to make a sandwich using the Hero arm, you get your bread out and you get your knife to put the butter on. And I'm just gonna get a hold of this knife in the grasp position. So I'm gonna slide the knife onto the strings where the fingers meet the palm, so I get the best grip, because that's where I feel the best grip is if you really wanna get a hold of something. But I'm just gonna slide that on to the strings. Close the hand over, and then you can freeze it. Then I'm just gonna go in with the butter when it's closed. Get that on, and then you can adjust or rotate the knife to make it easier. Freeze it. And then I'm just gonna spread the butter. Once you're finished with that, you can just unfreeze it, plop it down, and I'm going to put cheese on my sandwich, I think. So I'm just gonna turn the wrist down till it's flat, because then you'll be able to get the cheese out easier. I'm going to use the grasp position, and then I'm just going to kind of pick this cheese up. You can use your other hand or arm to help out if you want, and then you can just splat it on. Then I'm just going to grab the piece of bread to complete my sandwich. Put that on top. You can use your other arm to help, and there you have a cheese sandwich ready to eat.